Hello hands, welcome back to another video. So this video is a maintenance video. Today's video we are going to do my hair, my nails, pedicure, but I won't show my toes. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Tell me more video ideas we would love to see. And I'm going to take a bath. I'm still waiting on the water to get warm. I'm going to take a bath and then we'll get it from there. Bye.
So babes, we are looking for a toner for my brother. He does have dry skin, and when he uses fragranced skincare products, they don't go well with his skin. So now we are looking for a toner, and the toner that he got is from Nature's Nourishment, but I think he was using it too much, and he was harsh on his skin, so it didn't go well. Right now we are checking out and ready to go home because I was tired, and this winter and my hand didn't go well together. Let's go home.
In the morning, I wake up to fight for my eyes. Fear in my mind is a warning. Praises are where you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine.
So now we are at the skincare part.
So babes, I got this mask now, and I thought it was gonna be one of those like jelly like masks that hydrate your skin, just makes your skin look beautiful, soft, hydrated, moisturized and glowing. Yeah, no, it was not. So this one, if your skincare includes anti-wrinkle products, I will advise you to get this. If you have dry skin, yeah, no, don't do that, because I have dry skin and it is winter, so my skin it is 10 times worse. It is too dry. So this, it did not work out for me. Like, I did love it, the experience was good, it was fun, but I used it like 3 times, and the third time my skin was breaking. Literally my skin was breaking to like, that just shows how I was so dry from this mask. So if you have dry skin, don't use it. And if it works good for you, or you want to try it, you don't have dry skin, and your skincare includes anti-wrinkle, like anti-aging products, then you are good, because it will make your skin like tight. You will be tight. It is a face lift. My mom tried it, she loved it. So I will just advise you to shave your skin and then like do it a day or 2 days after, so that you let your skin like heal and the irritation heals, and, just to let your skin heal from shaving actually. So yeah, this did not go well. My hair, everything. And when I did this part, I knew this mask was not doing it for me. I just wanted to try it again to give it a second chance, but yeah, no. Like on my cheeks, girl, I was breaking, my skin was breaking. It was so painful, and I was just thankful that I have like the products that I normally use. This one is new, the Nature's Nourishment Facial Toner. It is hydrating. It just smells like juice, yeah, fusion. So, an air hydrator. That's what I loved about it. Even though it include a more like anti-aging, and this one it doesn't do anything for me. I just use it as a sunscreen because it has SPF 15 in it. So yeah, that's what I use. So, and then after this, what did I use? I used the Nature's Nourishment Cream. That one will last you for months. It will last you for months. Here it is. I used the Nature's Nourishment Cream. It is good. I love it. And I put a generous amount. Yeah, as you can see. So yeah. I put a generous amount, and here I did extra because of that face mask. So yeah, I was just happy that I had this product with me.
This feels so good. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. Feels so good. That is it. We are done.